Our next application that we're going to go through with the SuperSaver is how to install a side-by-side doubled rope and single rope system. So, I have my throw line shot isolated. Means I have both parts down to me with no interference in the middle. And the first thing that I'm going to do is lay my SuperSaver out on the ground. Have the terminal end facing away from me towards the long side of my throw line. And I'm going to have the prusik side closest to my two ropes that I want to install and the side with the throw bag attached. So my first move is I'm going to determine which line is my single line and which line is my double line that I want to use. For this setup, I'm going to use my green line as my double line and my red and black line as my single line. So I'm going to take my green line and I'm going to install it through the hole that is closest to the prusik loop on the SuperSaver. Then I'm going to take my single line and install it through the big ring in the hole that is furthest away from the prusik on the SuperSaver. I then can grab both of my spliced eyes with my throw line . And now I'm ready to pull my two lines up into the tree. So I'm going to come to the long side of my throw line and I'm going to pull my two ropes over the union that I want to tie into. I'm going to remove my throw line . Okay. And now I'm going to take my two spliced eye ends and I'm going to pay attention to the opposite side of the SuperSaver. I want to be sure that I'm putting the ropes into the right holes. I'm going to put my single rope system through the bottom hole, or the hole that is furthest away from the splice on the SuperSaver. And I'm going to put my moving rope system through the top hole, or the hole that is closest to the splice on the SuperSave system. I then connect my two spliced eyes together with the installation carabiner in the kit and clip my throw line so that it's free moving through the carabiner where my two spliced eyes are clipped. I'm then going to butt both spliced eyes up against the SuperSaver hardware and come to the long sides of my rope and start to pull them up and set them in the tree. Now, as I'm doing this, I'm going to grab that throw line that I put in the installation accessory carabiner. And I just want to hold tension on everything as I'm pulling up. This is going to ensure that if I have a hang up on the way or anything out of character happens, I still have full control of the SuperSaver and I can bring it back down to the ground to myself and correct whatever's going on. So then I'm just going to pull until I get right next to the union, pull hard, and let go. Now the only step left to getting both of the ends of my rope back is come to my throw line on this side, pull my throw ball up, and again, right before I get to that union, I'm going to stop, I'm going to pull hard, and now I have both of my spliced eyes, and I'm able to just pull them down to me right here, and I'm ready to climb.